The system pictured will support a workpiece in a wide range of coils and configurations. The components include an angle iron rail made from 1.5 by 1.5 by 1/8 inch angle iron, an angle iron rail support rod made from 3/4 inch square tubing that's 11 gauge and 18 inches long, an angle iron support sleeve made from 1 inch square tubing with a 1/8 inch wall that is 3.5 inches long. Table support clamp made from 1.5 by 1.5 by 1/8 inch angle iron that's 1.5 inches long, and a 1.5 square by 1/4 inch flat bar. A 1/4 threaded hole was placed in the 1/4 inch flat bar, and a 1/4 inch hole was placed in the top of the angle iron. The 1/4 inch flat bar was clamped to the angle iron using a 1/8 inch flat bar and a 0.01 inch shim as a spacer. It was welded in place. There's a design flaw in that the two holes were centered on the angle iron, making it impossible to reach the set screw. The Allen key was cut short, correcting this problem. The angle iron clamp is made from 2 by 2 by 1/8 inch angle iron cut to 1 1/4 inches long. One of the arms was cut down to 5/8 of an inches tall. A slot was cut into the short arm of the angle iron, slightly over 3/4 of an inch wide. The bottom of the slot is 1/8 of an inch proud from the long arm of the angle iron. Round bar can be kept from rolling on the table by clamping two pieces of flat bar on either side of the round bar. A workpiece that wants to tilt on the table can be held in place by tucking it under a ledge that's slightly taller than the workpiece is thick. The work holding system can be reconfigured, allowing for the workpiece to be placed in various positions around the coil. The workpiece can enter the coil from the side, at an angle, or from the front. The workpiece can be supported on both sides of the coil. The system can accommodate long workpieces. The short rail can be replaced with a long rail, and both tables can be placed on the long side of the rail, allowing support for extremely long pieces of work. The system is flexible. It allows support for a wide range of configurations of both the placement of the workpiece and different coil configurations.